Hello everyone, welcome to Home Decor Design and Ideas. In this video, we will discover 25 stunning coffered ceiling ideas for every style and taste. From classic and ornate to modern and minimalist design ideas, this video is your ultimate guide to the world of coffered ceilings. Coffered ceilings have been a staple in interior designs, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space over centuries. This timeless design element is characterized by recessed panels, creating a three-dimensional effect that adds depth and interest to any space. So, whether you are looking to renovate your home or add a touch of luxury to a new build, a coffered ceiling can be a great choice. Let's discover the endless possibilities for the beauty of coffered ceilings. Our first design idea is the classic coffered ceiling, characterized by square or rectangular plain recesses in ceiling framed with molding. This design is perfect for traditional or formal spaces. Next up, the second one we have is a modern coffered ceiling that features clean lines and minimalist aesthetic, making it a great choice for a modern space. You can create it with various materials, including wood, metal, and even concrete. If you want a unique look for modern and contemporary spaces, consider a geometric coffered ceiling. In this recessed panel in various shapes, including circles, hexagons, and diamonds are used. Consider a beam coffered ceiling. If you want a rustic or country feel, the large wooden beams in a grid pattern create a warm and inviting space, making it a perfect design for a family room, kitchen, or bedroom. For a bold and dramatic look, consider a painted coffered ceiling with panels in different color than the rest of the ceiling, creating a striking contrast and adding a pop of color to your ceiling. You can add a light coffered ceiling to get a cozy and warm feel. This design features recessed panel with built-in lights, creating a soft and inviting glow that would be perfect for your family bedroom or dining room. Incorporating a ground molding coffered ceiling would give a traditional and elegant look. The panels are framed with intricate ground molding, creating a sophisticated look that is ideal for a formal dining room or living room. A unique and eye-catching look can be created with a patterned coffered ceiling. These panels are arranged in a repeating pattern like herringbone or chevron that adds a texture to your ceiling and gives a blend of modern and classic touch. Here is another multi-pattern coffered ceiling that gives a playful and eclectic look to a kid's room or a playroom. The multi-pattern design is like a checkerboard or a diamond that creates a fun and playful look to the space. Consider a multi-level coffered ceiling. If you want to add depth to your ceiling with an eye-catching look, this design features multiple levels of recessed panel creating a layered look. For a warm and natural feel, you can create a wooden coffered ceiling with wooden panels. This design is an amazing idea for rustic or country style room, and it's a great way to bring outdoors inside, creating an inviting space. With a barn wood ceiling design, you can bring rustic charm into your home. Wooden beams and brick walls complement the ceiling. Its authentic farmhouse styles enhance the look of any room. You can add a modern antique look and shine to your ceiling with a metallic coffered ceiling, using panels of metal like stainless steel or aluminium, creating a sleek and modern look. The next one on the list is a topped coffered ceiling. This design features recessed panels lower from the ceiling, creating a cozy and enclosed feel that is perfect for a family room or bedroom to add warmth to your space. Here is another a crisp idea for crisscross coffered ceiling, in which recessed panels cross over each other, creating a unique and eye-catching look. For a traditional look with a modern twist, consider a traditional coffered ceiling with a twist. This design features classic square or rectangular recessed panel with a unique twist, like an unexpected shape or pattern. For a unique and organic look, consider a woven coffered ceiling in which recessed panels are woven together, creating a texture and pattern that is truly one of a kind to add visual interest to your ceiling. For a bold and sculptural look, consider a sculptural coffered ceiling. This design features recessed panel with a sculptural design, creating a truly one of a kind statement piece. For a modern and dynamic look, consider an angled coffered ceiling as a show of modern design that adds a bold and dynamic look to your space. You can opt for an inlaid coffered ceiling if you want a sophisticated and elegant look for your formal dining or living room. This design with the inlaid panel materials as wood or marble creates a luxurious and sophisticated look. You can also add a touch of luxury to your formal dining or living room with an ornate coffered ceiling. This design features recessed panel with intricate details like scrollwork or filigree, creating a grand and luxurious look. Decorative coffered ceilings have a deep and curvy coffers, complemented by a metallic gold light fixture, offer a unique pattern and allow for a versatile ambience with lighting. Panel trimmed coffered ceiling exude elegance and sophistication in any room. This ceiling panel concept not only adds visual appeal but also conceals any imperfections in the ceiling. Here is a modern drop ceiling idea for offices that adds intimacy and fosters productivity. This design exemplifies the seamless integration of natural textures and materials, with the white beams complementing the wooden shelves and back wall, transforming the space into a stunning work oasis. With the last design on our list, the vaulted coffered ceiling, you can inspire creativity and enhance the room's ambience. It mirrors the rich texture of wainscoting, infusing the space with a sense of depth and dimension. For an even greater illusion of spaciousness, you can try a soft light hue on the ceiling that will expand the visual boundaries of the space. And there you have it, 25 beautiful coffered ceiling design ideas. Whether you are looking for a traditional or modern look, a warm and cozy feel, or a touch of luxury, a coffered ceiling design is perfect for your space. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have been inspired to add a beautiful coffered ceiling to your home.